Alafia. Greetings and salutations as we make a prayer today, pouring libation in the name of Olodumare, Olorun, the Edumare, Allah, Oyalode, and our divine creator as we ask them to wake up, our ancestors as we make this call today, pouring a libation and calling on the dead to be present. Today's libation is for our people and their continued struggles towards freedom, liberty, justice, and empowerment and prosperity. I come before you today with a gratitude in my heart, seeking your guidance for our hero and mentor and revered ancestor, offering up prayers for the soul of our remarkable national hero, Malik Shabazz, Malcom X Oluwole. As we reflect on his teachings, his enlightenment, we are in awe of his profound impact that he has made on the African American community and the world at large. In the face of injustice, oppression, aggressive disdain towards the behavior of us as African people in the world, people like Malcom X have emerged as a beacon of strength and courage and unyielding determination. His unwavering commitment to the pursuit of justice ignited a fire that the hearts of countless individuals has long been silenced and marginalized, so-called marginalized. I am one of those peoples whose flame was lit by Malcom X. And it's through his impassioned words, his actions that empowered generations to rise above the adversities and to reclaim their rightful place in society. He spoke with eloquence, grace, unapologetic, changing the status quo and demanding equality for all of us. With his sharp intellect and his unwavering conviction, fearlessness, Malcom X confronted the systemic racism that plagues our nations even to today. This racism goes far beyond what we can see. It is deeply ingrained in so many people. He exposed this insidious nature and is inspiring others to fight for freedom and equality in the face of danger and even death. Malcom X, your spirit remains an abominable force forever. Your spirit is etched in the tapestry of our history. Your journey from darkness to enlightenment symbolizes the period of power of personal transformation, reminding us that in every person, in all the adversities, we can have strength to rise up and to overcome. Who would ever thought Malcolm Little could ever awaken so much from his losing his father, out on the street, using drugs, involved with prostitution, imprisoned, and all the other things? He rose up from the ashes like the phoenix bird. Your teachings, Malcolm, have filled us with wisdom, insight, and continue to guide us in a path towards self-discovery, self-empowerment. Even in your absence today, you have instilled within us a sense of pride in our history, reminding us of the greatness that resides within each of us. Today, we lift up our voices in prayers, libation to honor your memory and uplift your spirit. May your soul find eternal peace, and may your legacy continue to inspire future generations. Grant us the strength to carry out your torch with compassion, unity, and ensuring that your vision of the world free from prejudice and discrimination becomes a reality. Let us all become unapologetic in this pursuit. We ask for your guidance and your protection so that we may walk in your footsteps in life and embody the principles of justice, equality, and love. Help us to break the chains that bind us to poverty or to be impoverished, and raise above the shackles of oppression and forge a new future where each and every one of us can have some sense of respect, value, and we can celebrate. And most of all, let us do this by the merit of our character. Malcom X, we thank you for your immeasurable contributions to the African American community and for long-lasting impact that you have had on the collective consciousness of humanity. May your spirit continue to shine ever so brightly, illuminating our path towards a better world. We pray out loud. We are black and we are proud.